What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're creating a cartoon illustration of Paul Atreides from Dune. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the bottom edge of the brow. We leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left side. We're going to go across and then bend that down towards the side. Line this up on the right, going out and then down. Let's go back to the inside. We're going to curl up the brow, coming in and up. Let's go back to the outside. We're going to taper the brow, going up and then in. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now with the eyebrows in place, we want to tuck the eyes in underneath. On the left, let's step in and draw a circle, going all the way around. And just tuck that up underneath the eyebrow, and then line that up on the right side. Let's move to the center of each eye and draw a small black dot for the pupils. Now we're going to move to the center, step down, add a curve for the nose. We're going to come down, bend that up, step up, and add a short curve for the bridge of the nose. Now directly underneath the nose, we're going to add a curve for the mouth. We're going to go up and then down, add a short line for the lower lip. I'm also going to add a fold underneath the eyes, starting from the left and down and out. Now I want to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out and draw a short line coming down towards the jaw. Let's go back to the left side. Just going to round out the jaw, come in towards the chin, underneath the mouth, round this out, and then round out the jaw. From the left side of the hair, we're going to draw that tube going across underneath the nose. Let's start from the side. It's going to come down underneath the eye and then bend that in towards the left side of the nose. Let's step down, follow that same curve, coming across. Go underneath the nose, towards the right. Just going to round this out and pull that in. Let's move over towards the left, draw a short line coming down. Let's move up to the top and draw the edge of the hair. We'll start right in the middle with a point. Let's start with the left side. We're going to go up, come down, and then bend that out. Let's go back to the center. We're going to add a curl on the right side, coming down and in, and then taper that back up. Let's go underneath this curl. It's going to bend the hairline, going out and then down, go to the right, and do the same thing. On the side of the head, let's add some hair going across the ear and then pull that up. And then from the side, we'll tuck the ear in underneath, coming around and then in towards the jaw. Let's add some hair coming down underneath the ears, starting on the left, come down and out. Taper that in. I want to add a curl going around and in, and bend this up underneath the head. Let's go over towards the right ear. Start by curling this in, go up, add a curl going out, and then in. Now let's draw on the top of the hair. We start right in the middle, start with the right side. We go all the way around towards the top, and then come down towards the side. Let's curl this up, bend this down, and then in. Let's add another curl underneath, coming down and out, and then that in, and close off the bottom with a curve, coming in towards the side. Now let's draw on the left side. We'll start in the middle, start by going up, and then down. Let's add a little curl going up, and then bend that back in. Let's go to the bottom, add another curl, coming down and up, in towards the side, and then from the bottom, it's going to close this off, coming in towards the ear. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the scarf. We're going to start on the left side of the head, I'm going to bend this down underneath the chin, go around, and then up towards the right. Now underneath the scarf, we're going to curve the body, going out and then down on the left and right side. From the hips, let's draw a straight angle line coming down and in. Close off the middle with a straight line. Now I want to add a strap going across the body, starting from the top on the left, then this down and across, step down and draw it again. Let's add a clip along the top with 2 straight angled lines. I want to add a seam going across the center of the body, so starting on the left side, then this down and then out in behind the strap. Now leaving a gap in the center, draw 2 lines, one on the left and one on the right. Let's go to these 2 points, draw 2 short angle lines going out, come down and in, leaving a gap in the center, and then we'll close this off. From these 2 points, we're going to bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel, and then out and down towards the right heel. Now we want to round out the bottom of the feet. Start from the left heel, then the foot, coming down and up towards the outside. Then going back to the left, let's curve the foot. And go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel. You want to leave a gap on the inside. And then going back up to the hips, let's draw the side of the leg. We're going to go out and then bend that down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick trim along the bottom of the feet. We want to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And then from the top of the foot, we're going to step up and add another curve to the top edge of the boot. Let's go back to these 2 points. We're going to draw that same angled line going out towards the hips. From the hip, let's step down, add a curve, going in and then down on the inside. Now from the hips, we're going to step up and draw the edge of the cape. We're going to go up and then out towards the shoulder. Bend this up and then in towards the side of the scarf. Let's tuck the arms in underneath this trim. We're going to step up, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Line that up on the right side. From the wrist, let's draw a small half circle for the thumb. And we're just going to close that off with a small bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and up around that bracket. Go over towards the side, add the 2nd finger with a curve. And then the 3rd finger, we're going to blend this in towards the arm and tuck that up underneath, leaving a little overlap along the top corner. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with that 1st finger, the 2nd, and then the 3rd. Again, leaving a little overlap. Now, going back to the top of the thumb, let's add a trim, going out and then up across the glove. Step up and draw that again. Let's add 2 circles across the back of the hand. And then we're going to add 1 more seam going across the arm. Start from the inside, then it's out, and then up. Now with the body in place, let's layer the cape in behind. We'll start underneath the index fingers, coming down and out on both sides. And then we want to close off the bottom with a curve, starting on the left. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Paul Atreides from Dune. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.